How to unlink a bank account from Rocket Money. Hi everyone, in this video you'll be learning how you can unlink bank accounts from Rocket Money. Now this is very simple. Just ensure you launch the app on your device. Now after launching the app, you'll be brought to the page where you can see some icons at the top part of the screen moving. Now these icons are different subscriptions that you can do using your Rocket Money application, and then you would see your bank account as well as your credit card option. Now the next step is to go to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the settings icon. Once you click on this, you're brought to a page where you would see options. Now on this page you would see the option linked account. The reason why you can't see this on my screen is because I have not linked any account or any of my bank accounts to Rocket Money. Just for you, since you've linked the bank account already, you will see the option linked account. Now once you see linked account, click on it. Once you click on it, the list of bank account that you've linked to your Rocket Money will be displayed. Once you see this, click on the bank account that you would like to unlink. All right, so once you click on it, you will see three dots by the top right corner of the account. Click on those three dots, and in the box displayed, select unlink. And then once you click on unlink, you'll be asked if you're sure. Select yes, and then just like that, that bank account will be unlinked from your Rocket Money application. It is that simple. So go ahead and unlink those bank accounts today. Thanks for watching.